Okay, so Civil 3D lesson number 5, we're going to create a proposed profile. So what that means is instead of driving along this curvy surface, we're going to create a smoother proposed. So if we're going to cut some of the earth away in some areas and fill in some of the areas. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to my profile creation tool. And I don't want to create a surface profile because I'm not going on a surface. I'm creating a new. So we're going to go to Profile Creation Tools. We're going to click on the graph that we want to create them on. We're going to call it Proposed Profile. And hit OK. It's going to give us the tools. So we're going to click on the line tool. So make a nice straight line. We're going to go from here to this intersection right about here, and then we're going to continue from here to this end point here, and then when we're done with that we hit enter, and you can see it is 2.87% here, 0.83% here. If we wanted to adjust that, we can click on that and click on this arrow and pull it down or up a little bit. So now we're at 2.5% and 1.17%. I'm going to, just for the next step, I'm going to move it back up a little bit, something like that. Okay, so it's following the existing alignment. It's right on top of that same alignment, so we didn't have to mess with that. We just created this proposed profile. So from here we're going to try to show graphically what part is cut and what part is fill. So we're going to click on the graph, and we're going to go to Profile View Properties, and we're going to click on Cut. So as you can see from the picture here, the red line is your proposed profile, the green line is your existing profile, and what if you're under the existing profile you're cutting, if you're over the existing profile you're filling. So we're going to click on cut. So our proposed profile is the lower boundary, just like over here in the picture, and our surface or contour surface is the upper boundary. It should automatically do that. You shouldn't have to change that. Click here, and now they're swapped because we're filling. So our filling area is above, and we're trying to get it to hatch. So if you weren't on hatch, you needed to be on hatch to do this. We're trying to show these two. So we're going to click apply and OK, and it didn't work. And the reason it didn't work is because I was using the wrong profile. So let's take these out and cut area, and it's actually proposed profile 1. Shouldn't have a problem in your drawing. I've just been through this file several times, so that's why I'm having the problem. So I'm going to switch mine to proposed profile 1 and hit apply and OK, and you can see that when I hit escape there, these are my cut and fill areas. So anywhere that it is green means you're filling, anywhere that it's red means you're cutting. Filling, cutting, and over here we have a lot of fill to cross this little dip right here. So from this point you can go to your two layouts, and they're probably still set up. I had actually moved my profile over a little bit so that you could see it. So let's move this back over here a little bit. Go to my two layouts. They're still set up, so I can export PDF all layouts and turn that in.